of the student. We do training on different CAT tools, on translation management systems, and on different linguistic aspects like different terminology or approach to translation. If the student does well and passes our test at the end of the internship, we can start working with them as a freelancer or in our office as normal contract. We do have free positions for talents as project managers or translators all year round, in mainly in the offices in Plovdiv and Schumann, but not only. In Sofia right now we also have a free position. So if you're interested, you can contact me. Here's my LinkedIn QR code, and that's my email. You can also go to our website and you can find our contacts there. And we can continue the discussion there. If you want to start as a freelancer and do the test right away, if you feel that you're prepared and you don't need the training, or if you need the training, we can do the internship, and then we will check your quality with our tests, and we will start working together on a freelance position. Do you have any specific questions about the internships? Okay, how many of you are about to have an internship in their student plan? When is that planned? Semester. Okay, so it would be great to meet you and to give you that opportunity to learn and to develop your talents. And in what type of activity are you focused, like translation or something?
Right now, translation, because that's what we do.
Okay. Okay, and you? Mm-hmm. You too. Okay. So, what's your experience with translation right now? What have you learned, and what are you willing to learn?
Well, we've used CAT tool, but not much. So,
okay,
you know, we just developing work is really useful to be able to for us to be able to use them.
Okay.
When we were learning vocabulary of different areas.
Mm-hmm.
So we're expanding mostly in different business sectors.
Okay. And what CAT tools have you used?
I don't know the name because it was last year this time.
So most of them, I mean, the students that should be coming to internships, and I want to say that MiTRa is one of our best partners, so it's an excellent choice. They have experience with phrase, mentions phrase, and at least know the basics of other characters. Okay. Regarding TMSs, I think we covered just a bit word B. I don't know whether STMS is included here, but you can talk more about it.
I have a short video just to show how it looks. And I don't have it, it's on the laptop. Okay. Can I use the browser here?
Yeah. So you know that in the industry we have CAT tools for the last 30 or 40 years. They even the development. But recently, in the last 20-ish, 15-ish or something years, TMS systems, translation management systems, are something that's used by LSPs to streamline the whole production process. And I want to say that in Bulgaria, STMS is one of the first Bulgarian translation management system that was developed entirely by MiTRa, and currently it's used in other LSPs. So just a note here.
So the translation management system actually is a tool that helps the company, the translation agency, manage all the projects. Because I don't know how familiar you are with different services, but in our industry there are so many different services, and some of them have different steps. So for example, a big company translating medical device would have a translation, edit, QA. These three are called TEP, so TEP as we call it. It's one service, but it has three stages. Then you can have an internal review, some kind of evaluation. So you have 5 services now. And this workflow has to be very well managed regarding the deadlines and the quality and the vendors, because everything can happen. We work with people, so everything should be really strictly managed, and translation management systems help companies do that. They have different types of access, like vendor access for the translator, project management access for the PMs, account manager who looks at the work of the PMs and contacts the companies, and other roles also. And some translation management systems also have integrated terminology or dictionaries for different verticals of the industries. Like when you log in and you have a medical project as a vendor, you have access to all the dictionaries in this domain, or the term base, everything is there on the TMS. Our TMS doesn't have that integrated because that wasn't the point of it, but it does have a file browser, which is